Health benefits of eggplant. Subtitles are available in 14 different languages. Choose yours. Now, have you ever looked at an eggplant and wondered, is that thing even edible? Well, wonder no more. The eggplant, despite its somewhat unusual appearance, is a culinary powerhouse with a surprising amount of health benefits. But before we dive into that world of goodness, hit that subscribe button and join our channel for more healthy and delicious food content. Now, back to our friend the eggplant. It's not just delicious, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like fiber, potassium, and manganese. 1. Fiber powerhouse. Eggplant is a fantastic source of fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, aids in weight management, and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. 2. Heart-healthy hero. Feeling sluggish? Eggplant might be the answer. It contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your heart healthy. And speaking of healthy hearts, eggplants are also low in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them a perfect choice for a heart-conscious diet. 3. Boost your brain power. Here is one you might not have known. Eggplants contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that can improve cognitive function and memory. So next time you're cramming for a test or need a mental boost, consider adding some eggplant to your meal. 4. Bone-building buddy. Looking to get stronger? Eggplant is a good source of manganese, a mineral that plays a vital role in bone health and metabolism. It can also help with collagen production, which is essential for keeping your skin healthy and elastic. 5. Weight management ally. Last but not least, eggplants are low in calories and high in water content, making them a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. Plus, their versatility allows you to incorporate them into various healthy dishes, keeping your meals exciting and delicious. So, the next time you see an eggplant at the grocery store, don't be intimidated. Embrace its potential and unlock a world of delicious and healthy possibilities. We will have plenty more recipes and healthy eating hacks coming your way. So hit that subscribe button and join the journey.